All right, everybody, it's 1:14 and 14 seconds on Monday, April 30th. This is the mini for the two Fantastic Four books. As stated in the post, whoever comes in first place in the mini is going to get assigned the first four available spots in the main. Those spots would be spots numbers 1, 5, 7, and 9. Whoever comes in second place in the mini is automatically going to be assigned the final four available spots, which are 13, 16, 17, and 18. Okay? So here we are. Over here on the left-hand side are the 16 filled spots. All right, went up and down. Let's do our three dice. Numbers 10. Away we go. Good luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the final one. 10. Andrew Barrett gets the first four. Rob Young gets the next four. Time is 1:15 and 25 seconds.